Gateway Bookbinding Systems, in business since 1965, is recognized within the industry as the plastic spiral experts. The equipment that Gateway builds is designed to bring you user-friendly productivity and flexibility. Gateway's research and development team revolutionized coil manufacturing with their NCF6 Concept Former, the most efficient and versatile coil forming machine requiring minimal operator supervision. Gateway's concept formers are used on their own production floor 24 hours a day. Simplicity of operation is key. Simply input the diameter of coil required into the touchscreen interface. Temperatures and speeds are pre-programmed and optimized for each coil diameter, guaranteeing consistent top-quality coil while maximizing productivity. The interchangeable mandrel components allow for easy and cost-effective changeover to all available pitch options. Mandrel installation is easy with the hex fit design, a much better system than the old-style threaded rods. Gateway's top-quality PLASTIKOIL filament is produced on 25-pound spools with a square core. Spool mount and changeover is done with minimal effort, and the 25-pound spools are easy to handle for any operator. The filament is threaded into the heater drum and wound through until it exits the nozzle. Wind the filament through the first 3 holes of the mandrel, then close the outer rollers and advance the filament down the mandrel. The NCF6 unique 2-roller system allows for easy mandrel changes and better airflow for cooling the forming coil. Adjust the electronic eye to the length required. That's it! With the NCF6 Concept Former, you can produce exactly what you need, when you need it. You can eliminate big inventories of preformed coil, freeing up valuable production floor space. The NCF6 can produce coil diameters from 6 to 32 mm, with options up to 50 mm. The electronic eye on the NCF6 can adjust to whatever length is required. Whether you're producing pre-cut coil for your bindery or making 36-inch lengths for resale, Gateway has a packaging system that's right for you. With the state-of-the-art control system and machine speeds all pre-programmed for maximum productivity, the NCF6 Concept Former delivers. The hex-fit mandrel design and 2-roller system makes mandrel changeover quick and easy. The NCF6's innovative hot start feature enables the machine to stop and restart without coil seamlessly, eliminating production interruptions. The hot start feature also allows the Concept Former to interline with Gateway's auto inserters. The metered oiling system ensures the precise amount of lubrication. The machine's unique spool brake design with empty spool detection system allows for easier and faster spool changes, minimizing your downtime. With Gateway's quality PLASTIKOIL elliptical filament, you'll see higher yields per pound, which also means lower shipping costs. Cardboard spools mean no spool deposits, and with 45 different colors available, you're bound to find something you like. The Concept Former's IMC, interchangeable mandrel components, allows for easy and cost-effective changeovers to all available pitch options. The Concept Former comes with a photo instruction manual and training video, along with the support of Gateway's exceptional technical service team. With a 1-year parts warranty, you can be confident you're getting a machine that will give you years of unparalleled performance. When you invest in the NCF6 Concept Former, rest assured that expansion is easy. Gateway's equipment is modular, so adding auto inserters for a single or dual interline setup can be done whenever your production demands require it. Gateway's NCF6 Concept Former. A small footprint, smooth, quiet, simple operation, and reliable, consistent productivity is what you need to take your company to that very important next level of in-house coil manufacturing. For assistance or machine references, please contact us.